Yes, Tom, I will, because volcanic eruptions can begin. Hi, this is Michelle Jean. I am a fellow WSE member, and I am talking about volcanic eruptions today. Let's talk to some pedestrians and interview them to see what they know. Okay, stop it there. So now, how should they protect themselves? Well, we'll go back to Tom on this one. This is Mr. Jax. He's a pedestrian. We are gonna ask him if he knows how volcanoes are caused. Jax, Mr. Jax, you know how volcanoes are caused? Hey, get out my face! Hey, get out my face! I don't want to talk. Hey, go away! Hey, go away! I don't want to talk. Hey, get away! I don't want to talk about volcanic eruptions. I don't like news. 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 Get away! Hey! This is WES News. 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 How about you? When the volcano started, that's really nice. That's really nice. That is a good rabbit. All right, back to Tom. Because we want to know how volcanoes are formed. Minnie, how are volcanoes formed? I don't want to know. How are volcanoes formed? How are volcanoes formed? Hey! I'm interviewing you. I'm interviewing you. Hey, I'm interviewing you. Let me talk to you. I'm interviewing you. Okay, sir. Let's talk. How are volcanoes caused? Well, they're caused by ash, and then after that, I don't want to talk. No! This is WE. Hello, this is Michelle Jean again. So let's interview Minnie, who is a girl actually. Minnie, what do you know about volcanic eruptions? Well, I know volcanic eruptions because, hey, I don't want to do that. Oh, well, volcanic eruptions was really good because I love volcanic eruptions because they help do the earth. They help the earth by making layers of rock, and they give us some ash. So like when it can make the earth hotter. Okay. Thank you, Miss Minnie. Stop it there. Again. Hi, this is Michelle Jean. I am a fellow WSE member, and I am talking about volcanic eruptions today. Let's talk to some pedestrians and interview them to see what they know. Okay, stop it there. Yes, Tom, I will, because volcanic eruptions